talk to us about how much risk premium I should be putting in when it comes to Japan, or should I just ignore this completely at the moment?
Actually, we're looking at the election as a buy catalyst. We recently went overweight Japan on a number of reasons, earnings, potential upside from improved economic growth, and the expectation that an Abe win would actually ensure QE going forward, and the likelihood, therefore, of dollar strength. So a range of catalysts which we think will be triggered by a likely Abe win in the coming elections.
Reaffirming your call is this chart. I want to bring that in. But everybody knows what we've been seeing in Japan, that Japan Inc. story really strong. G hashtag BTV space 8207. And essentially what we're seeing in the white line is the Japanese yen spot, and the blue line is the topics. And we're closing in on a 10-year high today. Abe, with that quantitative easing, as you said, and that monetary stimulus has been really, really good for stocks. But of course, Koike coming in and saying that the exit strategy has to be very, very clear. So introducing that language of tightening into the markets. Does that worry you about the equity story for Japan?
Well, the two big policy differences as far as we're concerned is the fact that Abe will still continue to promote a consumption tax, and Koike apparently not. Now, to the extent a consumption tax is actually promulgated, suggests that the BOJ will have to be on standby to support the economy through further monetary stimulus in order to prevent the kind of deceleration in growth we saw the last time. So on that basis, we anticipate further yen weakness, dollar strength. And while the chart absolutely did show a disconnect in the since the start of this year, between the yen and the topics. Nevertheless, we have seen, for example, in the last few months or so, a re-engagement of that relationship and a further move higher in both yen and topics. And as you point out, and it's what our technical analysis also suggests, we will start to see these two series moving higher in the coming months ahead.